Welcome to Open House. I am Mrs. McCowan, your child's 7th grade mathematics teacher, and I am going to talk tonight to you about what you can expect in your child's math class. A little bit about myself. I am a teacher for Orange County Schools for over 7 years. This is my 8th year teaching. I earned my bachelor's in mathematics and language arts for middle childhood education from Mount Vernon Nazarene University in Mount Vernon, Ohio. I hold 4 teaching certificates, 1 in K-6 elementary education, 1 in 5-9 English, 1 in 5-9 mathematics, and 1 in 6-12 high school mathematics. My master's in education I received in 2012 from the UCF. I was a Lockheed Martin Scholar Academy finalist, and I appreciate the Lockheed Martin and everything that they have done to provide scholarships for teachers to continue their education and to help our students succeed in the community. What is the curriculum? If you'll take a look and see the curriculum for your child's pre-AP class, Course 3 is listed on the back board. Their login, username, and information is listed on the back board. You can write this down. We have a textbook online found at myhrw.com. This is a helpful resource that your child can use all year long. What will my pre-AP 7th grade student be learning? Well, the first 9 weeks, we learn algebraic expressions, equations, rational numbers, ordered pairs. We're currently graphing functions and equations, learning about exponents, scientific notation, squares and square roots, and the Pythagorean theorem. During the second 9 weeks, we learn about rates, ratios, proportions, fractions, decimals, percents, simple interest, inequalities, slopes. During the third 9 weeks, we learn about point-slope form, graphing, angle relationships, triangles, volume, surface area, measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode, data, scatter plots, box and whisker plots. And during the fourth 9 weeks, we start our algebra curriculum. We'll be learning about polynomials and quadratic functions. What are the 4 categories my student will be tested on the FCAT 2.0 this year? The first one is number-based 10, that's 25% of the FCAT. The second one is ratios and proportions, that's 25% of the FCAT. The third one is geometry and measurement, that's 30% of the FCAT. And the fourth one is statistics and probability, that's 20% of the FCAT. The percentage points by cognitive complexity level for the FCAT 2.0 are broken down as such. Since your child is in an 8th grade class, but they're a 7th grader, they'll be taking the 7th grade test. So that is 35 to 40 multiple choice questions and 10 to 15 gridded response. The length of the test is 140 minutes for 7th graders, and their assessment of each item is 50 to 55 items on their FCAT 2.0 test. How does my child enter homework? Well, this is an excellent question, and parents can also have accounts. If you look on the back of the paper that you received when you walked into Mrs. McCown's room, on the back it shows parents how you can create an account for Edmodo. Read the instructions on how to sign up. It is case sensitive to your child's account. So Mrs. McCown cannot create the account for you. You need to log in, create the email and phone number that you would like addressed to your child's account so that you can get updates on when homework's due, if your child turned in homework. Every week I assign 2 homework assignments on Edmodo. They are always posted on Monday and due on Friday. If you have any questions, please feel to contact me about your child's homework grade. I post all homework grades on Friday on Progress Book. Edmodo and Progress Book are not linked. I have to manually sit at the computer and enter in whatever your student did here on their quiz into Progress Book. So please be patient while I have to manually enter 135 students into Progress Book. Thank you. And how can I check my child's progress? You can get your login information from the grade level secretary. That is also listed on your open house flyer. Your grade level secretary for the 7th grade office, her contact phone number and email are on there. You can log in and then see how your student is doing when they have a test that is due, when their bell work's due, etc. So this is a great tool for you to use. If you have any questions about what's due, please check Progress Book first. If it's not posted on Progress Book, please feel free to email me. And I have a teacher website. My teacher website is updated every Wednesday with a table of contents from your student's class. As you can see here on the table of contents, I have the Course 7 Math updated. Also, I have Pre-AP listed on this website. Also on the website, you can get the link to my YouTube videos, the calendar for school, my classroom expectations, more about Mrs. McCowan, and if your child would like to join Math Club, I am also the Math Club sponsor. This video that you're watching tonight can be found on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Mrs. McCowan 12, no spaces. You can go to my YouTube, access this. If your husband or wife was unable to come tonight to open house, you can refer them to this video and let them know about what your child's learning in 7th grade pre-AP. Once again, I'd like to thank you for coming out to open house, and we appreciate you coming. Please know that tonight is not a parent conference. There are other parents in the room, and please be aware that if you would like a parent conference, please contact your grade level secretary on the paper, call her, and email her to set up an appointment. We do parent conferences with all your child's teachers. We sit down and address your child's needs and what they need to do to be more successful. I would love to help you and have your child have a successful year. Please don't hesitate to contact me, and I look forward to seeing your child succeed. Thank you for coming.